Hello. In this video, we are looking at how to manage the structure of your library, specifically the folders and subfolders it is comprised of. If you click the account icon in the top right-hand corner, you will activate a drop-down menu from which you can navigate to the folders menu. Note that you may not have the proper rights to edit these folders. If you are using the free version of ClauseBuddy, that shouldn't be a problem, but in the paid version, it is possible that your organization set up access rights. If you open up the folders menu and find that your options to edit these folders on the right hand side are grayed out, then you do not need to watch this video. But if you do have edit rights, you will see the menu on the right hand side activated as you click through available folders. Let's take a look at the different options. So first of all, there is the option to create new folders. To do so, you just select the folder for which you want your new one to act as a subfolder. For example, we have this folder here called Introduction to Parties and Signatures, but if we look at the subfolders there, we see that there's no subfolder for signatures. And to remedy that, we just select this main folder, click the plus icon, and then we'll name this new folder Signatures, create new folder, and we insert it that way. And we can also, of course, delete it again with the help of this button. Now, if you're using the paid version of ClauseBuddy, you will also be able to set up access bundles here, allowing you to silo off different parts of the library for different departments or teams. For more information on that, make sure to check out the manual on the ClauseBuddy websites. You can also rename or move the folder to change its function within the library, as well as in the paid version of ClauseBuddy, back up all of its content to a Word document. In some cases, you will also need a folder to be shown in multiple parts of the library. For example, you may have a general boilerplate folder, which contains a non-compete folder, but you may also want to have a special folder where you store employment law specific non-compete clauses. In that case, the general folder may still contain useful material for the special folder, but you don't want to have to maintain two copies of the same folder. A proxy can then act as a kind of cross-reference or a shortcut from one part of the library to another without you needing to maintain two separate folders. Finally, ClauseBuddy also comes with a number of predefined folder structures for different domains of law, as you can see here. If you need some inspiration to get started with creating your own library, be sure to check out the options that are available here. No need to copy a full predefined taxonomy into your library. You can just as easily take a subfolder and adjust it to fit your own needs later on. For example, like so. Finally, these predefined folders and subfolders all contain a special kind of tag. These allow ClauseBuddy to learn what a certain type of clause typically looks like. For example, what a typical termination clause in American employment law looks like, in order to feed the AI dataset and allow ClauseBuddy to become smarter in suggesting clauses to you. Now, manually created folders will not feature such tags by default, but if you want to make use of this feature, you can select this folder is not taxonomy tagged link and manually assign a tag like that.